Yo guys, so welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video right here, I'm going to show you how to get a free funded account. Remember, this account is a simulated capital, it's not a real fund. Okay, so with that being said, let's jump onto this. So if you're not in my telegram yet, this is my telegram channel. I share a whole lot of free funded account opportunities. So if you want to be in this telegram channel, just go down to the video description and join. A lot of updates used to go on right here, so you can also come and get yours. I used to update signals a whole lot. Okay, a whole lot happen here. So if you want to join our family as one traders, then this is your best time to follow a new update and then get an account for free. Okay, so every video on this channel, included this one, is for educational purpose and entertainment purpose only. I'm not promoting any broker or pro firm. I only do research and give you where the information is. You have to go and do your own investigation and research if you are comfortable with them before you join them. Okay, so quickly, I'll take you to where exactly the firm is, okay, or to get the account, and I'll tell you step by step way of doing or dealing with this. Okay, so I'll send you to my Discord channel right here. So this is Upcomers. Okay, I made a video about these guys once in I think in a previous week or so. So we talk about them, and today they have another chance for us right here that we can use to get an account. Okay. So this announcement was made this week. They say your chance to grab free challenge account is here. Complete tax and X points and then claim the leaderboard to claim a spot in the top 10. So if you are among or you end up ranking among the top 10, you are going to be allocated with this one of accounts. Okay, so first place is going home with 50K challenge account. Remember, it's a challenge account, it's not a real fund. And then you have to pass evaluation before anything. So two, our second position is going home with 25K challenge account, third 25K, fourth 10K, fifth 10K, sixth 5K, to the 10th position is 5K. So when this contest is going to end, this contest is going to end on the 31st of March, and I'm recording this video on 8th of March. So you have a lot of time in order to perform the taxes. So I'll take you to the page where you have to perform those taxes. Okay, I'll put this link in my Telegram channel too. So yours is to just go straight, click on it, Zelly contest. Okay, so when you click on it, it will take you to a new page. Okay, so as the page is loading, do well and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you're enjoying this video. Okay, with that being said, I'll keep on encouraging you on more updates on getting a free funding account. So here you just have to accept all cookies. Okay, and then it will take us to the next page where we have to see the available taxes that we can perform. So onboarding, so you can see I have 0/6 right here, and I have about 6 points right here if I want to do something. So on the onboarding, I have to do what, like and retweet our latest post on X. So if I'm able to done that, I'll get 50x points. If I subscribe to the YouTube channel to 50 points, if I follow them on Instagram, 50 points. And when you come below to, we have for the Discord to share the upcoming yearly contest weekly. This one you get 75 points, and then share what trade in Discord, trade discussion, 50 points. So you can see a whole lot of them are here. Some are locked. Okay. Okay, so you just have to keep eye on them. Anytime they update, you just go and perform the simple tasks, and that is all. If you want to know the leaderboard, just click on leaderboard right here, and you see your rank or wherever you are ranking at, you will see it clearly from here. That is how simple this one is. If you are enjoying this video, remember I drop video onto the channel every single day. So these are the people here with their X points on the leaderboard. About 4,965 is leading now. Okay, so that is what I have for you guys today. So see you in the next video tomorrow.